Hello. Good morning, if this is your morning. Good afternoon, if this is your afternoon, and good evening, if this is your evening. Ụtụtụ ọma, if this is morning. Ehihie ọma, if this is your afternoon. Mgbede ọma or abalị ọma. If peradventure, this is your night. This is the Igbo Tutor live. This is the time appointed and agreed when we meet together to speak Igbo language, learn Igbo language, sharpen our skill on Igbo language, measure our level of progress in learning Igbo language. So wherever you are, and you are a member of the channel, you are supposed to be here by now. This live class is only meant for members of the channel. You can only be a part of this live class if you have joined our channel membership. So if you are seeing this video now, maybe it will be made open after a while. Okay, you need to know that for you to participate in live class where you will be taught directly by the teacher and you learn from others in a live setting, you need to join our channel membership. That is the only way you can participate in a live class like this. Otherwise, you can only have a rewatch of the live recording. So you do well to join us now. If you're a member of the channel and you are seeing me now, this is the time agreed. We agreed to come on time so we can cover what we need to cover on time. So join us now, and as you join, please hit the chat and tell us no, ndewo, daalụ. Say anything you need to say in the chat so that we can know you are here. That is the only way we can recognize your presence here. So hit the chat button and type no, ndewo, daalụ no, kedu no. Just type anything. That way, we can pick your name and also return our greetings to you. So this is the Igbo Tutor, Mahazi Okafor. Kee ndị nọ n'ime klaasị ka anyị bido n'egbughị oge ọbụla. Anyị chọrọ ibido klaasị ugbu a. Olee ndị n'ebe a? Biko deere anyị ihe na chat na okele anyị. Greet us. Drop something in the chat to, recognize you are, the teacher, and then register your presence in the class. That is the only way to mark your attendance. When you drop a greeting, watching this, that is the only way we can know you are present or you participated or you watched this class. Drop a comment in the chat or in the comment section below. That is how to know you are in the class or you be here. So where are the channel members? The Igbo Tutor is here. And I am waiting for you people. Let's begin right now. Kedebo no, where are you? If you are watching this, you need to be patient so that the channel members that pay for this class will come to class before we can start. Otherwise, we have to wait a little bit because this class is coming up courtesy of their payment every month. So we have to give honor to whom honor is due. Wait for them to join the class before the class will start fully. And if you are watching, be patient a little bit. Class will start any moment from now. So where are you? Channel members, we are waiting for you. Join the class now and let us begin. Banye na class ka ibido ịmụ akwụkwọ ịmụ asụsụ Igbo. Kedu onye nọ n'ime class? Ngwa kelee ndị nke gị, kelee ezinụlọ Igbo, greet Igbo family. Kelee ụmụnna, greet your brethren. Si anyị nnọọ, daalụ, ndewo no. Just gwa anyị ofu ihe ka anyị n'olu gị. Mee ya na akara chat anyị na ndịda ebe ahụ. Just type something in the chat and let's welcome you and also know that you are here in the class. And that way, the teacher can also drop a greetings to you. Who are you? Where are you? Who is in the class? Let's do it now. Waiting for you to drop your greetings now. Yes. Who is in the class? I'm waiting for you. Waiting for you. Yes, who is there? We are waiting. We are waiting. Let's drop our chat now. Let's drop our comment now in the chat so we can welcome us to class and the class will begin immediately. As soon as we have two people in the class will start. So where are you? Where are you? Drop your greetings in the chat. Kebo no no. Where are you people? Kedebi no. Kelendi kegi. Greet your people. Kelendi Igbo neighbor. Kedu ndị Igbo nọ n'ụlọ? Kee ndị Igbo nọ n'ime class. Where are the Igbo people in the class? Kelee anyị. Greet us. Greet us. Kelee anyị ka ibido. Let us start. Okay, the earlier the better for us, the more ground we can cover. So, as soon as I have 2 or 3 people in the class, we will start. Ngwa ngwa m nwetara mmadụ abụọ maọbụ atọ n'ime class, anyị ebido, anyị amalite, we will just start. Yes, waiting for you. Come on board. Drop your greetings, drop your chat. Let's do this together. And you make all your note. Nke a bụ class Igbo. This is where we learn Igbo on the go, free of charge. If you're a member of this channel, free of charge, every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. You also stand a chance to get free ebook every month if you're a member of the channel. So you do well to join our channel membership. For Nigerians, it's almost like free, because when you join with about 2,000 naira or 3,000 naira per month, you get free ebook. Our ebook is about 3,000 naira and above every month. So it's like having a free class for those of you who are in Nigeria. Those in diaspora, still not too much, $5 or thereabout or 6. You also get a free ebook, which is about $2 or so a month. All right, so you can get it cheaper like that, from cheaper than that. So join our membership today and enjoy our social perks. Yes, I'm still waiting for you to join the class. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Who is in the class? Drop your chat, drop your greeting. Let's recognize your presence so that we can move on immediately to the main class, to the lesson for today. I'm still waiting. I've not got any chance. I've not got any greeting so that I can get the names that are present in the class. I'm still waiting for that. Who is there? Some of us form the habit of coming to class very late. Some will even come when we are closing the class, which is not very fair to yourself and to us. You will imagine that we'll be waiting for you for 1 hour before coming to class. That is unfair. So, punctuality is the soul of business. Let's try to be punctual. That is very essential to all of us. Right? So let's come here now. Let's come to class now. I'm waiting for you. With 1 person present, I will start the class. Yes, that is the truth. 1 person come in, I will start the class. We can't keep anybody waiting. 1 person present, I will start the class. Just register your presence, drop a chat, and let's see, know who you are, and confirm you are in the class. Then we begin. I'm still waiting for that particular person who will drop the chat first. Yes, who is in the class? Who is in the class? Still waiting? Who is in the class? While I'm waiting for you, take my water now. No one has registered his presence in the class yet. What is happening today? What is going on? Who is here? Is anybody in the class? I can't see any chat. I can't see any comments to confirm that somebody is there. What is happening? What is going on? Oginine. Igbo Tutor is live. Waiting for you. Anna Mechegi, I'm waiting for you. We have wasted 10 minutes waiting for you to come in. We already know our time. So why are we delaying to join the class? Why are we wasting time? There is no time to waste. Yes, who is there? Who is in the class? Drop your chats, greet us, so that I can pick your name and communicate with you directly. That's why it's a live class. Still waiting for you to join up. If you are watching a replay of this live class, please be patient so that the subscribers to this membership will be able to join the class and benefit maximally from this live class. This class is going on courtesy of their payment, so we cannot just go on like that without any of them being in class. So be patient if you are watching a replay on our homepage. Waiting for you. Waiting for you. Waiting here to see anyone commenting in the chat. What is going on today? Where are you? Where are you? Waiting. Time is running. Waits for no man. Wow, what is going on today? Where are our members? Why are they not joining our class today? I'm playing my own part. You need to play your own part by being present in the class so that we can learn together. If I don't see you guys by 20 minutes on the clock, I will close this membership special class and go for open class. So I don't need to waste 1 hour doing nothing here. If I don't see you in the next 6 minutes, if no member of the channel joins me, I am going to end this live stream and start an open class for everyone or anyone interested to join. I can't afford to waste the whole time waiting for you to come as channel members. If you do not come to class in the next 5 minutes, by exactly 20 minutes of wait, you won't blame me if I declare the class open for anyone that is interested. I'm going to make it public for everyone. After waiting for you for the next 5 minutes, which is a total of 20 minutes of waiting, if you don't come as a channel member to join this class and enjoy your class, I am going to close this, end this live stream, go for open class, still the same live class for anyone who is interested. I'm sure I'll be vindicated for doing that. You won't blame me for doing that. I'm still waiting. Yes. 4 more minutes and this session will be ended. And we go for open class for whoever is interested. So we don't waste the whole 1 hour doing nothing. Time is precious. We don't waste time. We don't waste time. So if you've paid for something, you need to be available to enjoy what you paid for. I'm playing my own part. And if you are not there to enjoy your own part, the blame is not mine. I'm faithful, I'm true to our agreement. Come to class at the appointed time every Saturday. Sit here, wait for you to teach you, and we learn together. You need to fulfill your own part of the bargain. Otherwise, I don't know what to do than to use the same time to serve others who may be interested. 3 more minutes to go. 3 more minutes to go. To go public. 3 more minutes to go, and we'll end this live stream and go public. So if you are watching this live stream, you've been patient with us up to this moment, if you are watching the replay, we are sorry about that. Those who were supposed to be in this live class have not come, our channel members. We waited for them to this moment, they've not come to class, so we're sorry about that. In 2 minutes time, I'm going to go to public, live class for anyone, anywhere interested in joining us. So you will be patient. After in the next 2 minutes, we close this one. You will watch out for the next class that will follow, which will be open class for everyone. Okay. Time is ticking. We are approaching 20 minutes of wait. Okay. Now we are moving to end this class. And we're going to go for open class for next 30 minutes or thereabouts. Yes. Few more minutes to go. Few more minutes of waiting. Not really minutes. It's a matter of seconds now, 30 seconds, before we end this live stream and begin a new one for everyone, an open one for everyone interested, anyone, anywhere. Ten seconds more to go. Time is ticking. I didn't see the channel members. Time is up.